To another edition of English Makes No Sense. It's a vocabulary day. A vocabulary day? Yes, because I love words. Here's today's word, B-R-A-Z-E-N. Brazen. Great word because it sounds exactly like it's spelled. And it's an adjective, and adjectives describe nouns. Oh, okay, but what does it mean? It means bold, without shame, or shameless. Isn't that without shame? Yes, yeah. So, brazen. People can be brazen. My friend Pablo, he's brazen. He will say whatever he pops into his head. Doesn't worry about who it offends. And you'll also hear this. It was a brazen crime in broad daylight. It was a shameless, bold crime. Oh, okay. Why does English have so many words that are so fun to say, like brazen? I don't know, but I'm sure glad they do. And now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. The brazen cook tried to pass boiled raisins off as a special dish. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with brazen? Or do you know somebody who's brazen? Leave it in the comments. Peace, friend.